Can you see
Oh,
me?
yes, I can see you and hear you. How have you
Okay,
been?
okay. I am good. And how have you been all these days?
I've been fantastic.
Okay, Happy New Year to you, first of all.
Yeah, same to you, same to you.
Thank you so much. So, how did you
Yeah.
celebrate your New Year?
I didn't celebrate much because the night curfew is there, so we couldn't go out in the night. And in the day, we
Okay.
were like just having a normal day and just like preparing for something.
Okay. So, in my city also, the night curfew has been imposed. So, we
Mhm.
have to take the necessary precautions because, as you know, Corona pandemic is on the rise again,
Yeah, again,
and
yeah,
Omicron variant also. So, we have to take
definitely.
the necessary precautions. Anyhow,
Yeah.
so did you make any New Year resolution?
No, I haven't made make much many celebrate sorry sir resolution. I just made a resolution is that I have to be fluent in 2020 22.
Okay, that's a great thing.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
what is your plan for 2022? What different would you like to do in 2022?
If everything remain same and just like COVID pandemic or the lockdown will not be imposed, then definitely I have something to do. I'm not disclosing it right now, but yeah, definitely I have made a plan for that. But there is feeling deep from my heart is that yeah, the third lockdown is on the way.
Yeah, the third wave is now going on.
Yeah,
So we have
because
to be extra careful. Yes.
yeah,
Yes, continue.
yeah, restriction is being imposed, and just a couple of all back, the MP government committee decided that there will be only 250 guests in the wedding and 50 in a
Yes.
funeral. So restriction are getting rises. So I think there will be a time when they will say that now there will be complete lockdown because the
The chances are
cases
there.
are yeah, cases are rising very fast. Yesterday
Yes.
in Indore, there were only 131 new cases, and today it is 500 something. So you can imagine
Yes.
that how what is the speed, and it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
increasing in a five-fold a day. So definitely it's going to create a problem and make government to impose lockdown.
Yeah, right. The cases
Mm,
are rising very fast.
very
So
fast.
we also have to be extra careful.
Careful, definitely. We
Okay,
should
so would you
wear
like to talk
mask.
about the topic of the day, that is food or something in general?
You can talk something in general. I think food. I am not
Okay.
kind of foodie person, so
Okay,
I
okay.
just eat for living. I'm not
Okay,
living for
okay.
it.
Okay. So you don't like to try different food items.
No, I don't try many foods. I just have whatever I've been having since my childhood. Yeah, sometime whenever I have curiosity, there, yeah, what is this kind of food, and let's take it. And I'm with my friends, then definitely. Otherwise, I don't like this kind of food. Let's try different foods on a daily basis and that hunger and that street food. No, nothing like that. I just have whatever I've been having.
Okay. So though we are going to talk about something in general conversation we'll have, but
Mhm.
still I would like to play a game with you. Okay?
Sure,
Are
definitely.
you ready?
Yeah, but what is the rules and regulation?
Yes, I'm going to tell you that only. So, since it is the winter season and there are
Mm.
many vegetables out there in the market, so I will say the name of the vegetable in Hindi and you have to tell me its English name. Okay?
Yeah, definitely.
So, it's a simple game. You have to relax, no need to worry. Even if you don't remember the name, it's okay.
Cool,
Okay?
cool. Mm.
So, let's start. Gajar,
Carrot,
right. Methi,
methi, I don't know.
fenugreek. Okay?
Sorry?
Fenugreek.
Fenugreek. Fenugreek.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Mm.
Kaddu.
Pumpkin.
Right. Okay. Mooli.
Uh, I just reddish, reddish,
Radish. Right.
reddish. Yeah, reddish.
Right. Palak.
Palak. Let me. I know the meaning, but
Take your time.
unable to. No, I'm unable to
Spinach.
recall that. Yeah,
Spinach.
spinach. Yeah. Spinach.
So it was fun playing the game with you. Thank you so
No,
much.
let's continue 2 or 3 more.
Two or three more.
Okay.
Karela.
Karela. Bitter gourd.
Yes, right.
Hmm.
Tinda.
Tinda. Okay, Tinda. No, I don't know Tinda.
Round guard.
Round gourd. Okay.
क्योंकि गोल गोल it's round ना, so round
Mm-hmm.
guard.
Cool.
Okay. Bhindi.
Ladyfinger.
Yes, right. Lady finger.
Why
Uh,
it is called ladyfinger? It's like lady's finger.
Shalgam.
Shalgam. No, I don't know.
It's turnip.
Turnip. Yes, I knew that.
Yeah.
Turnip.
So now I'm not able to remember the vegetable names. So now let's move on. Okay.
Sure. Hmm.
Okay,
By the way,
Mahesh.
which is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable,
Hmm.
ladyfinger.
Okay, yeah. And which is the vegetable which you don't like?
I usually eat all the vegetables, but
Hmm.
still I don't like tinda.
Tinda. Okay, you
Round.
don't like tinde. Round gourd.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool.
Okay. Okay, Mahesh. So tell me that what is that one life lesson that you have learned from your life?
Okay, so I have learned the best lessons very early in life. I would say that I believe that we should live in the present and enjoy
Yes.
every moment of our life. That's what I
Right.
believe, and that is what the motto of my life. I just enjoy, no matter that whether I'm preparing for competitive exam or I'm doing YouTubing, I'm taking sessions, but I enjoy everything. I do whatever only I enjoy. Right? Maybe I'm
Yes.
going to the coaching, then I think that yeah, this is the moment we should I live fully. I don't think that like, I'm
Right.
going to coaching and I have to solve the mathematics which I don't like, but still I can be happy on the other end. Like I'm going to meet the friends, I will learn something new, or if I am able to solve any question, then that will be an achievement for me, and that is the thing that we are going to miss in the future. Like we
Yes.
are going to be nostalgic in future, that what were that those days were amazing, and we used to sit the friends, because every stop of your life demand a new you, and the time,
Right.
no matter how bad or good it is, but you will definitely gonna miss it, whether it is schooling. Now when we were in school, we used to like, once this school life completed, we will have fun in college, but now we are missing the school life, and once we are completed college life, then we are doing job and missing, like, oh, the college life was all fun, but now we are, and now we are doing job, so we should enjoy it. Once we get retired or will over age or elder, then we will miss that it was amazing to work with colleagues, to learn
Right.
different things, do everything's task, and everything is amazing. I said the life is a journey, it's not destination, so we should enjoy this journey.
Right, right, right. You have spoken very well, I must say. And
Okay.
this is very rightly said by you that we should live in the present moment. I
Hmm.
read a book called The Power of Now, and in that book also, it is told that we should live in the present moment. We should not think
Yeah.
about the past, we should not think about the future,
Yeah.
because the past is gone now, and
We
we
can't
don't
change
know
it.
anything about the future.
Yeah.
Right.
So the thing is that
So,
we should not regret for the past, and we should not
yes.
worry about the future.
Yes, very rightly said.
Hmm.
So, this is a very good lesson that you have learned from your life, and we should all follow this lesson for ourselves also.
Yeah,
Okay, so
definitely.
tell me, how was your school life? Something about your school life. From where have
So
you completed your schooling?
So till the 10th, I was doing my schooling from my village, and there was a private school. So I would
Okay,
say that school life was amazing, because the school was
okay,
like we all the students from the same village, and our teacher was very
okay,
friendly. Whenever like
okay.
we are asking our teacher that today we are not feeling well, or we don't want to study, so they just said, Let's okay, have some utensils, tea or milk, and then let's prepare tea, and will everyone will have the tea. And this
Oh,
kind of
wow, that's
party we
amazing.
used to have. Yeah. So
Wow.
teacher was very friendly, not like just we have to do study. If any day we are
Okay,
not willing to do study, then they will like, okay, we will play games, we will do anything whichever we want. So that is the best
okay,
part, or many things which happened during the school time, and I love my school life.
okay, that's great. So, you had a
Yeah.
great experience in your school, I think.
Yeah, definitely. I had a great
Okay.
experience.
So which was your favorite subject?
Definitely, since when I was in school, so social science used to be my favorite. But now
Okay.
I love English
Okay, okay, okay.
because
If
now
I
there is
talk
no
about
social science
myself,
particular.
yes, yes, continue.
Because there is no particular social science subject these days. And other than that, at that time I was so weak in English. Even I
Okay,
got 63 marks in my 10th in English. So
okay.
that was not very good because in all other subject I got 80 plus marks, and that was only the
That's
English in which
nice.
I got 63. So at that
Okay,
point of time, English used to be my weaker subject. But
okay,
now
okay.
I love English and I love reading, writing, solving papers and everything about the English.
Okay, okay, okay. So your liking for English has increased now, right?
Yeah, definitely. And what about you?
Okay.
You were saying something.
Yes. I was saying that if I talk about myself, I didn't like maths at all.
Same, same, same here.
I even had a tuition for maths, and it was the only subject for which I had kept a tuition. Other subjects I used to study by my own self only, but I didn't like maths at all. And my favorite subject used to be English only. So
Okay,
that's why now I'm doing masters in English. So it is my favorite subject since childhood. I love English.
amazing, amazing. That
Okay.
is why that is why I chose commerce after 10th. That I will
Okay.
I just wanted to get rid of maths.
Okay. So I was also in the same situation. After 10th, I was so relaxed that yes, now I won't have to study mathematics at all. So that was a
Yeah.
great moment of my life. I
But
felt
at
like partying.
okay, but at that time I didn't think that I will have to deal with mathematics in future when I'm preparing for competitive exams.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
now
yeah.
maths is back. So definitely I'm dealing with that.
Okay, okay, okay. So related to that only, I have a question. How is your preparation for the exam going?
Exam preparation for the exam is going well, but there is a forecast or the everyone is talking about that coachings are going to be shut down soon because
Hmm.
the cases are rising in Indore. So I know that everything will happen in MP, then it will be first in Indore because Indore is the famous city of MP. So everything will start from Indore.
Right, 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 right. So in the future, even the schools and colleges will be shut down. Now, also in my city, the schools and colleges, they are shut down now because of the cases are rising. So
Yeah,
anyhow, we have to deal with the situation
very,
now.
very good.
Nothing can be
Yeah.
done. Okay, Mahesh, tell me that what is the best decision that you have taken in your life?
Best decision, I say my every decision is best or maybe better or good. I don't consider my any of my decision wrong or I just like it was a failure because every time we take decision, either we win or either we learn. We never lose something or we never lose in a just like anything we are doing, either we win or either we learn. So it's win-win
Yes,
situation, I think. So we shouldn't. And as Ratan Tata said, and one of my favorite quote is that I don't take a right decision. I take decision and I
and
make them
make
right.
them right. Yeah,
Yeah.
I have
So
also
that's what I
heard that.
like. That's
Yeah,
why
yeah, yeah.
I follow that this quote. I am not interested in taking right decision. I just take decision and try to make them right.
Okay, so that's a great thing. Okay, so
Yeah.
tell me, are you an introvert person or an extrovert person?
Uh, it's complicated because with whom
Ambivert.
like yeah, it's ambivert. Yeah, we can say because depends that what kind of people are there. Because when the other people is of my level or they are like same funnier as me, same like level of me, then I'll be definitely going to be extrovert. But there are certain like people I don't like and they are not of my level, then definitely I'm not gonna continue with them much. So
Okay,
that is the
okay.
thing. Yeah,
Okay,
it
okay.
depends. It depends on the others that I'm introvert or extrovert.
Okay. So
Mm.
I think our time is already over. So do you
Mhm.
want me to give the feedback?
Yeah, definitely. Your feedback is welcome.
Okay. So I think that you are quite confident. I told you this in the last session also, but the
Mm.
thing is that practice is must.
Mhm.
Other than
Definitely.
that, I think that you can speak in a good way. Just keep on
Okay.
practicing and you are good to go. And thank you so much for taking the session. I really enjoyed this conversation with you.
Yeah, definitely. My pleasure too.
Okay, so let us end now.
Okay. Take care.
Okay,
Good night.
take care. Bye.
Bye.